If you want to start using QuickBooks, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discount. Convert USD to any other currency in QuickBooks, go to Settings and select Account and Settings, and then click Advance. Scroll down and you will see a multi-currency. Edit it and turn it on. Under that is the details of multi-currency. It also indicates that you can turn off the multi-currency once you save it. And also, you can change your home currency, which is the USD. And some features may be no longer available, and click I understand, then save it. After that, to check if it's working, click the manage currencies and you will redirect to currencies. Now, to add a currency, just add the add currency button and select a currency you want to add. To test it out, create a new customer and then fill out your customer informations. After that, select a currency. In this case, I choose the currency of South Korea, which is a U1. After that, save it and then click the new transaction if you want to try. Then select a sales receipt or payment or invoice, but in this case, I'm choosing invoice. And now, create a invoice for that customer. And that's it. That's how you convert USD to any other currency in QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.